guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We're here to show you our black crossfade. It is a 50 centimeter, black and transparent, and it is called black crossfade for a reason. It does have kind of a funky fading color to it. We're going to dip to a white speed shape. I mean, we would really recommend like a DTP charcoal metallic would be really good with it. Kind of neutralizes it. But really you could use any base coat. One minute soak time Hydrographics activator using our mini tank. Oh my gosh, did I even set my timer? No, I did not. So we're gonna just go with it. If you see from the side there, that's where it kind of starts light and then fades darker, or goes darker on the other side. And I do want to remind you that is a 50 centimeter, so small parts only. But it is a neat print, I like it. Of course, that'll be in the carbon fiber section, and you can find it at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.